Did you know your breakfast could serve up a side of mystery? When I broke the yolk of my Eggs Benedict in the main dining room on the Icon of the Seas, something unexpected happened. Watch as we uncover the weirdness that awaited under that perfectly cooked egg. Good morning.
I thought I woke up at 8, but it was 7.
Your mom and I got up early.
I got up at 4.
Yeah. All right, so you guys went and got coffee? Okay, so now we got to find some breakfast. So do we have any ideas? Okay, that's good. I'm glad I wore a t-shirt and not tank top. All right, we are off. Breakfast. Oh, yeah, bathroom.
It's right here.
Over there. Bathrooms are easy to find too, guys. They're just these big white square signs. Now Alex left, went to Adventure Ocean. He saw that. He was like, I'm out of here, thanks. How about this dining room, eh?
Hey.
Let's check out the chandelier. What? Accent wall. Very, very nice. Good lighting. Good for filming. Usually I can't film in here, although we're gonna do with shadows like crazy.
Yeah.
A lot of shadows. Well, let's take a look at the menu today, guys. See what you would pick. Looks good. We're gonna look this over, see what we come up with. That's good coffee. And you got a cappuccino. Did you try it?
Yes, it's good.
It's always a nice option with breakfast. Now that wasn't upcharged though,
Yeah.
but covered under the drink
Yeah.
package.
Thank you.
Sausage only?
Thank you.
Yes, that's wrong.
Yes, thank you. All right, what did you get, Mackenzie?
Blueberry pancakes.
Blueberry pancake, side of sausage.
Yep.
How's the pancake?
Pancakes are good. They're just like standard pancakes. Yeah, they're light, fluffy.
No crunch?
No. I like crunch on mine.
Yeah,
like
me-
when they're like seared, those are good. I gotta try a sausage.
Oh, yeah.
That's good.
Alex, what'd you grab?
Got the same thing. Except I had it on a hash brown and I ate my sausage already. Wish pancakes were crispy.
Yeah.
They're good.
It's got your normal eggs and bacon. It's got them over medium.
Okay. Nice. And the grits are supposed to be cheese grits, but they didn't look very
They're very plain and
cheesy.
You asked for these grits. There was cheesy grits and
Yeah,
regular.
there's 2 different kinds. You asked for regular.
Oh, well, there you go. I didn't see 2 either yet. Okay. Well, everything else good?
Yep.
Bacon looks like it beats your standard. Better than a buffet bacon.
it's crispy. It's not the best, but it does the part.
This is different hash, isn't it, Alex?
Yeah.
Than what's on the buffet. Well, maybe there's green peppers, but the potatoes look small. I don't know. We gotta cut these eggs though and see if they pass the egg test. How's it gonna be?
Whoa.
What the heck was that?
What?
Why was that so watery?
That was scary. Try this one. There we go.
Dude, why did water come out of there?
That was weird. I'm gonna slide over this one. If I get sick, I mean,
The other one just poured out like water. That was so.
dude,
It looks
I
watery.
can't unsee that.
Me neither.
That's round food. Try that. It's the same.
Oh, okay.
All right. Looks like you enjoyed it. You enjoyed it. And then I'm scared of that one. I ate that one. It's a good thing there's lots of food on this ship. Forgot we had those credits. You wanna play basketball, Mackenzie? See who's the champ. What'd you get? Total score 16. 16. All right, let's see.
I had a.
Total score.
They'll add it on to mine.
I still won though.
Still.
You lost 16 to 53, Alex. Uh-oh, Alex is gonna win now. This game's so long. Total score. You're a princess.
Yeah, I didn't mean it.
Every one of these booths got little USBs. Very nice. I like got every one there. That's cool. Reading the Braille.
Yeah.
Nice little spot. So 6th in Maine. This is deck 6. Some Icon Glencairns. Nice. Mules.
Shot glasses.
Got glasses. Got hats.
Crew neck.
Even those backpacks are kind of nice. They're very nice.
That is sweet.
I bet it's not cheap, but it doesn't open up until 6 p.m. tonight, so that's pretty late.
Yeah.
6 to 10.
Go check the other one out.
Oh yeah, on the promenade.
Yeah.
Go get more messy jerseys.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, we'll go check it out. Let's go check it out. Hey, go. Every young person we've ever talked to said those clubs are fun, but he will not go. Why won't you go?
Stop.
Go.
You put hand sanitizer on my burn.
Hand sanitizer on your burn. Why are you guys hurting each other?
Tell my sunburn.
Why can't you guys get along?
He started it.
Just get along. Be friends. Friends. All right, I think we're gonna wait. Looks like there's a line forming outside that store again. We'll wait for stores. We'll check out the stores later. I kind of want to go check out these water slides, but I gotta stop by the room and get my suit on. Yeah. All right, let's do that. All right, we're going to get some laundry done. We got this one bag deal, kind of like what you did on Norwegian. Yeah, but I think this bag's a little bigger. But I think it was maybe $30 on Norwegian, but that's pretty good. Yeah, that's a giant bag. So yeah, get some laundry taken care of.
Yes.
Alex, will you fit in there? Get you washed.
What are you saying?
Oh, she got a pair of
Get you washed. Get you cleaned up.
shorts in here. Got a couple pairs of blue ones that need to be washed.
Yeah, get some laundry done. All right, and then we're gonna change into swimsuits and get ready to go watch Alex do the drop slide.
Nope.
I'm not getting in there with you. I'll catch the next one.
Look at that. Look at it. Stare at it.
Elevator fight part.
Get a close up on her back legs.
I got to stop by the room and.
Mom thinks she's so tough.